bad light. Yun ang madalas nating iniisip si Maria Magdalena. Kaya nga, mas lalo pa itong pinalalim nung awit ni Freddy Aguilar ng Magdalena. So, she was not a prostitute. But what is special about Saint Mary Magdalene? I can say at least 3 things. Number 1, Mary Magdalene is the mother of love that seeks the Lord even in darkness. Isang pag-ibig na hinahanap ang Panginoon kahit nasa gitna ng kadiliman. I think we have been through the same situation like Mary Magdalene many times. Mary Magdalene was crying, was grieving because Jesus has died. She thought she had lost everything. That is why when Mary Magdalene went to see the tomb, she came there, she sought the Lord. She came to the tomb not because she was expecting a miracle, she came because she loved Him. Hindi naman niya alam na nabuhay na muli si Kristo. Pero dahil sa kanyang paghahanap, kahit nasa gitna ng kadiliman, sabi ni Saint John, it was early in the morning. She came to the tomb while it was still dark. Madilim pa. Madilim pa, pero nagpunta siya sa libingan upang ipakita ang kanyang pagmamahal. Si Maria Magdalena, hindi katulad ng mga alagad, ay hindi iniwan si Jesus hanggang sa kamatayan. Nandoon siya sa paanan ng krus, kasama ni Maria, ang ina ni Jesus, kasama ni San Juan, ang mahal na alagad ni Jesus. Mary Magdalene did not leave Jesus. That's why even in the darkness of her soul, in the darkness of her experience, she was still looking for Jesus. Love, real love, perseveres even when hope seems impossible. Ang tunay ng pagmamahal, hindi nang iiwan. Ang tunay na nagmamahal, patuloy na naghahanap kahit nasa gitna ng dilim. Kaya kapag kayo hindi na hinahanap, hindi na kayo mahal. Pag wala nang pakialam kung anong oras kayo dumating ng bahay, magduda na kayo, baka hindi na kayo mahal. Sapagkat ang tunay na nagmamahal, naghahanap. At ang tunay na minamahal, hinahanap. So that is Mary Magdalene. She was special because her love looked for Jesus even in the darkness. The second thing that we can say about Mary Magdalene is that Jesus knows her personally. At first, she did not recognize Jesus, the risen Lord. She thought it was the gardener. Pero nung tawagin siya ni Jesus sa kanyang pangalan, Maria, doon niya nakilala si Jesus pala yun. Jesus knows her by name. And that is true to all of us. Jesus knows us more than we know ourselves. Kilala tayo ni Jesus. Alam niya ang ating mga pinagdaraanan. Alam niya ang ating mga kahinaan. Alam niya ang ating mga tagumpay. Alam niya tayong lahat. Through and through. It's nice to be known. Ako nagigilty ako kuminsan No? May makikita ako minsan dito sa katedral. Father, you remember me? Eh sa totoo lang, hindi naman lahat natatandaan ko. So, pipilitin kong alalahanin. No? Sino nga